Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of the Honda Shadow bobber build. If you were watching our last video, part 2, we finished painting the gas tank, we installed that, as well as started to mount a LED bar for a headlight on the bike. We painted the tank, we put it back on the bike, and we also started mounting up an LED light bar on the triple tree to replace the old school headlight because we want a more modern look. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you got any opinions, advice for us, let us know in the comments below. Thanks, guys.
Alrighty guys, as you can see, we did get it tight and it is straight. That Loctite's gonna hold it nice and tight. That thing ain't coming off.
So now that the bracket's on, here's the packer plug for the headlight. And it's got 3 wires. Nick's trying to get the wires out of it instead of just cutting them. But we may just have to cut them. So after we get these wires out, we're gonna get the multimeter and troubleshoot which wires are for the normal headlight and which wires are for the brights. Okay, 12 volts. Here, what is this?
Oh yeah.
Alright.
So we found them finally.
Yep. So the one that's not green.
Okay, so this is black and red.
Cool. Yeah, those aren't fun.
These are the worst wire strippers ever. We're making it work.
Gotta make it work somehow. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the wires are soldered.
I think we did a pretty good job.
They look good.
Yeah, we soldered them and put some heat shrink on them. And here's our first test run.
Test her out.
Here we go.
LEDs on the Shadow, dude.
Oh man. Alright, now we're gonna hook it into the bracket right here with some bolts that came with it, and then we'll give you the full showing after we're done. Alright everybody, we got the light on. We're gonna do some tests for you just to give you a visual of what it looks like in the daytime. Go ahead and turn it on.
Light on.
Pretty bright. Alright, turn it off. Now I'm gonna go over there and turn the lights off. He's gonna turn it on and off for you.
Boom.
Turn it off. So I think it looks pretty good. What do you think?
I like it.
Alright, now I'm gonna give the camera to McConnell. He's gonna show you what it looks like against the back wall.
We may need another one, but if we need to add another one, we can do it down the road.
Here we go.
Boom.
I think it looks pretty good. I think it might be just a little dark, but we'll test it on the road later. So all in all, it turned out all right. The wiring real good. It fits perfectly on that bar, honestly. Honestly, I think it looks like it's made to be there.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. That looks sweet.
That's what I'm saying. So we're saying goodbye for tonight. We're gonna come back tomorrow after I get off work, and McConnell might do some things while I'm at work, but we're kind of waiting for Amazon and eBay to ship us some stuff to put on this thing.
Yeah.
So, all right, dude. Catch you later.
Welcome back, guys. It's Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. And yesterday we got the headlight on the bobber using this guy right here, and I really don't know if I'm gonna need another one or not. I mean, we tried it out in the garage last night. You saw it in the last video, and I really don't know if it's gonna be bright enough, but I guess we're just gonna have to wait till this thing's rideable to take down the road tonight and see if it is bright. If not, I'm just gonna go to AutoZone, pick up another one of these guys, and wire it. We're gonna go ahead and wire it in series. Maybe mount it right here behind a little bit. I don't know, but I really like how clean it's looking. Right on that triple tree holder. I like it. But I am really excited today because we are finally gonna work on getting all these electronics covered up and whatnot. And when I got the bike, I was on Amazon, or I was online and I was looking, and I found these guys right here. These little battery box covers. But it's really just not going with the bobber build because the frame got cut right here before I bought it. I put them on the bike and I was like, man, this really doesn't look good. It's plastic. I don't like it. It doesn't look old school. Wasn't really the look I was wanting. So Whit and I were thinking, I was like, yo, what if I just got some sheet metal and I tried bending it myself and bolted it in the frame right here. I'll run the Ace real quick and I'm gonna try to pick up some sheet metal and we'll be right back. Just got back from Ace Hardware and I found these guys. 2 pieces of steel, 10 bucks a piece, not bad. So what I'm thinking is, to cover up that part of the bike that's got all the fuses and wires and all that stuff, I'm thinking we make a template out of cardboard first. Make the template, basically mock it up on the bike, and then cut the sheet metal to look the same. I'm gonna get started. We'll see how it goes. You guys saw in the time lapse, I got the cardboard traced on the sheet metal, and I used the 10 snips to cut around it. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm really not too excited with how it looks right now. This is my first time doing this. I always like learning new skills, and this is definitely one that I have a lot of respect for, is fabricating metal. But this is just kind of a, like, again, budget bobber build, so I'm not really trying to go 2 Orange County choppers on this thing. So right now, I got these lines cut to where I had the folds. I'm gonna try bending everything on here to conform to the bike of how I want it. Maybe put it on there a few times, look at it, see what I need to change, and hopefully I could start tapping the frame, or hopefully I can get it how I want, and I can start tapping the frame, getting it mounted on there, button up all the loose ends, and it should be ready for paint. before I started, I came out here and I wanted to get this started. And I was like, you know what? I probably shouldn't start without wit. And I'm pretty much getting done with bending it up. And he comes out here and he's like, hey man, why don't you just do it this way? And I'm like, of course, of course. So we're having a little friendly competition. He's gonna try it his way and then we're gonna compare them. I'm anxious to see how it turns out. So as you guys previously saw, I had my fairing on the bike. And now we're gonna try Wood's fairings, which one we like better. Oh man. I think we should go with yours. We're gonna start putting the bolts in.
Start by putting this one in first. The one that's already got a screw in there, like to hold that other plastic piece in.
Yeah, I think I like this one better, man.
Thanks.
It looks good.
We do.
Of course, you just had to call him from work and be like, what are you doing, dude?
Yeah.
Why don't you do it this way?
That works.
So I guess what he's saying is we're going to use this bolt that's already mounted in the frame for mounting the new fairing. Once we get all the holes drilled and I think we're going to drill a hole and then maybe tap some on the frame. Yeah, we'll get back to you guys once we get it done. I'm honestly surprised how well this turned out for like what? I think 2 hours of work total?
Yeah, $20
combined?
Yeah.
Yeah, well 30 if I didn't buy that other panel and mess it up first time. Alright guys, here it is. Custom fairing / battery box covers.
I think they'll fit a lot more once they're black, but even silver I think they look good.
Yeah, they look good. And I'm anxious to see how they look with black on them. There she is. There she is.
Alright everybody.
Definitely gonna need a touch up on this side because I did this side.
Look at that panel. No scratches, nothing. Let's come around to McConnell's side. Ooh, what is that? What is that I see?
What kind of idiot put that on like that?
What is those?
What?
Oh my gosh.
Dude.
So,
They look pretty good.
it's not McConnell's fault. The paint that we had to paint these with just wasn't any good. I'll be honest.
Yeah.
It wasn't great. There was some kind of oil on the panels. I guess we didn't get it all off, even though we used acetone and sanded them.
Yeah. Preservation oil.
Yeah, we tried. It's alright. It'll be able to be just touched up and fixed. But I will say, I don't know if you can tell in the video, the bike looks a lot better with them on there.
I don't know how we should do that.
You guys know what it looked like before. We showed you in a video before. It definitely looks a lot better.
The main goal of this was to get all these wires, all these fuses and stuff covered up, protect the battery a little bit better, and also give it a little bit better of a cosmetic upgrade. And to be honest, for what we had and the tools we used, it turned out really good. And I mean, I really don't have any complaints other than I wish we would have used better paint. But I mean, for what it was and what we had, it turned out excellent. I like it. We're gonna have to touch up a few spots here and there, but that's all for today's video. If you guys liked it, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys got anything for us, go ahead and comment it below and we'll see what we can do. See ya.